Hello everyone. This is day 3 of the vlog, or I would say the targets which I have set for myself. And the same way, two of the aspirants who are connected with me through channel are also learning something from it. So basically, if we see about 22nd May, so as you can see on the screen, like there were chores and all, and my target was to do 27 pages. But then I also had time, but video editing, I'm not habitual of this using apps or editing the videos. Moreover, as I was not studying for the last 3 months, I thought I secured a job. I don't have to study that much. I can take rest. After that, when I join college, I can continue my studies. So because of which I skipped studies, and so 22nd May was the first day of the target. So when I tried to study, I just tick marked all these things because I gave my book, the Pegasus book which I'm mentioning, to someone else. So now I have taken my friend's book. There I ticked whatever the backside it was given the answers. Why I ticked? Because what I find is I find it waste of time to solve myself and then check. Though it may seem a wrong method, but then I do it. So I just ticked it, and then after that I myself know na, when I look at the question ki yeah, I know this one, or I am not aware of this one. If this question seems new to me, I will not be able to solve it. So I myself I myself understood the type of the questions, how the questions are evolving, from which works number of questions were more. So and then from which work the questions were from the plot summary. That means the summary and the plot of that work need to be revised. Moreover, that day, I mean on the 22nd May, I could study only for half hour. And again and again I was looking at the mobile, I was distracted, and it was very tough to study that day. Now next, let's come to the next day, that is on 23rd May. So yesterday what I did is I follow this method, like there are 27 pages, so I tick one by one, so it gives me motivation. So I just finished 15 pages, 15th one I forgot to tick, and I also put the timer so that I don't my mind doesn't wander here and there, or I don't scroll mobile. In order to track that thing, I have in the first few pages I noted down, like in the first page I am devoting 5 minutes, and then the second page reading I am devoting this much minute, and in the fourth page reading the question number of questions were same, but then I am devoting 17 minutes. These are because I saw reels in between. Maybe I was looking at the notification and then I got distracted. I mean, these are the initial days after 3 months that I have started studying. So distraction is a natural thing which I am facing right now. But then as you can see कि कल के हाफ आवर से और आज 4 आवर्स, यानी कि 23rd मे को 4 आवर्स की स्टडी हो पाई. सो ये एक बहुत अच्छी बात है. ये एक बहुत टफ रहा, पूरे दिन भर टायरिंग फील हुआ, एंड आउटपुट मतलब ऐसे नहीं है कि कंटिन्यूस पढ़ाई नहीं हो पाई, थोड़े ब्रेक्स में हुई, लेकिन ये है कि पढ़ाई हो गई. और उसके अलावा अब आज 24th में है. सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टडी द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक्स, लाइक पेज नंबर 15 to 27. तो ऐसा है कि इतना बड़ा टारगेट 27 पेजेस का क्यों सेट करना पड़ रहा है यहाँ पर हमें, क्योंकि अगर जिसने पहले ये बुक रिवाइज़ कर ली, जैसे मैंने जिसको ये बुक दी थी तो उन्होंने बुक पहले रिवाइज़ कर ली, तो वो बेनिफिट में है इस चीज़ को लेके, क्योंकि मुझे नहीं पता था मैं फ्यूचर में JRF भी दूंगी. आई थॉट कि मेरे को मेरी जॉइनिंग मिल जाएगी और चीज़ें सॉर्ट आउट हो जाएगी. उसके बाद जो मुझे कॉलेज में पढ़ाना है उसके लिए मैं अपने स्टैंडर्ड बुक्स को पढ़ के जाऊँगी और मैं पढ़ाऊँगी. तो अब क्या हो गया कि JRF की प्रिपरेशन के लिए मैंने अभी लेट लगी हूँ, तो 1 महीना बाकी है, तो उसके लिए बड़ा टारगेट सेट करना पड़ा है 27 पेजेस का. तो उस बड़े टारगेट के लिए क्या होता है कि 1 महीने में चीज़ें पूरी करनी है, तो बड़ा टारगेट सेट करना ही पड़ेगा. और फिर बड़ा टारगेट सेट करेंगे तो उतना नहीं तो उससे कम तो कर पाएंगे. अगर मैंने सोचा होता कि इतना प्रैक्टिकली पॉसिबल नहीं है, मैं आज 7-8 पेज जितना हो पाएगा उतना कर लेती हूँ, तो फिर मैं इतना भी नहीं कर पाती. तो इसीलिए अपने आप को टफ़ सिचुएशंस देना और चैलेंज देना बहुत ज़रूरी है. तो ये सेकेंड थिंग रही. और उसके अलावा what I'm thinking is, instead of wasting your time and my time in sharing the my schedule, instead of that I would explain one topic every day, so that it benefit someone now and explain it. Also, I will try to include the Telegram link in the description box, so that if there is any doubt, anyone can ask me like now which work I should explain next. तो इस तरह से अभी तो हो चुके हैं ये इतने टारगेट्स हो चुके हैं. अब धीरे धीरे आई वुड इंक्रीज माई आवर्स एंड ऑल. And moreover, you would also come to know that even after the schedule, hectic schedule, how you can get the time, how you can manage your studies, how you can get time. You will notice the page, like how half hour is sufficient, like 1 hour also we can utilize. In this way we can study. And if you are fortunate enough, then you can also hire a maid, so that somewhat during my preparation phase I requested, and I could luckily had that made, so that I could save my 1.5 hour or 2 hours which I am investing right now for jhadu and pocha and all these things. So you can take household help, or you can take help from the family members if you are fortunate, lucky. Or you can if you are working, then obviously you should ask people to help you, or you should do your work a little roughly. I mean, the things which you could manage on every other day, you could manage it after maybe 1 week or 15 days, like that. See, if you want to become Mr. Perfect or Mrs. Perfect, then sorry to say, it's very tough exam. It's not easy to crack. If every day you give a toughness to yourself and study hard, devote your hours, concentrate, track your record, track your progress, then only you will succeed the examination. And consistency is the key. I mean, even if you are able to study for half hour or 1 hour, but then every day we need to study if it's possible. Okay, so that's it for today. And now tomorrow onwards I would explain one work or one topic or one PYQ every day. Okay, and I would manage my number of hours myself in my diary. Thank you so much, everyone.